Got hiccups? Here are the top 3 ways to cure them fast. Method 1. Take a deep breath and hold it for as long as you can. This helps your diaphragm relax and can stop hiccups. Method 2. Drink a glass of cold water quickly. The cold temperature helps reset the nerve pathways that cause hiccups. Method 3. Swallow a spoonful of sugar. The graininess stimulates the vagus nerve and can interrupt the hiccup cycle. Try these tips next time you have hiccups. Like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tips with simple science bites.